You thinking about trading with FXTM? Then this video is a must-watch for you. Hi, I'm Eric from FXEmpire.com. We reviewed over 80 Forex brokers this year, so we truly know what makes a top-notch broker. We spent hours testing FXTM to answer all of the key questions. Is FXTM safe to trade with? Are the trading fees and spreads competitive? Do they offer a diverse range of tradable instruments? We'll also give you a live tour of FXTM's trading platforms and highlight all the key features you need to know. And finally, we'll give you our honest opinion on FXTM, what type of trader it's best for, and who might want to look elsewhere. Let's get started. Founded in 2013 and headquartered in Mauritius, FXTM has 3 globally regulated entities. They offer over 600 CFDs across Forex, commodities, indices, shares, and cryptocurrencies, along with access to over 500 real shares from US stock exchanges. You can trade using the popular MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms, and they've also developed their own proprietary FXTM Trader mobile app. That's the overview, but the details are what counts. Let's take a deeper look to see if FXTM is the right broker for you. Now, quick note, if you're interested in checking out FXTM for yourself at any point during this video, you can click the link in the description below or in the top right corner for the best offer available in your region. The most important question is, can you trust FXTM with your money? Let's break it down. FXTM has been in business since 2013, so they've built over a decade of stable operations. According to their LinkedIn page, they have between 51 to 200 employees, which puts them in the medium-sized broker category. FXTM operates through 3 global entities. One is licensed by a Tier 1 regulator, the UK's FCA, another by Tier 2 regulator, the CMA in Kenya, and the third by the FSC of Mauritius, which is a lower tier regulator. But what does this mean for you as a trader? Firstly, each of FXTM's entities hold client funds in segregated accounts, meaning that your money is not used to run the broker's daily operations. This ensures that your capital is always available no matter what. All 3 entities also offer negative balance protection, so even if the market moves against you, your account won't fall below 0. As for compensation schemes, only the UK and Mauritius entities offer coverage. This gives you extra protection in case the broker goes bankrupt. The Mauritius-based entity goes a step further by offering insurance of up to $1 million through Lloyd's of London. Since FXTM only has 1 Tier 1 regulator and 1 entity lacks access to a compensation scheme, we gave them a 3.7 out of 5 in the trust category. Next, we checked out FXTM's trading platforms, as the right platform can really make or break your trading experience. FXTM mainly offers the popular MT4 and MT5 platforms for both desktop and web. These are well-known platforms that have long been considered the gold standard in Forex trading. For beginners, the web platform is a great starting point. It's easy to navigate with everything: charts, watch lists, and the trading terminal right where you need it. For more experienced traders, the desktop platform offers more advanced features like automated strategies and custom indicators. It's a bit more complex, but it gives you more control and options once you're comfortable. We really appreciate how FXTM goes the extra mile by offering custom-built MT4 add-ons, which can really enhance your overall trading experience. FXTM also has its own FXTM Trader mobile app. It's designed with beginners and casual traders in mind. While it lacks some of the more advanced features like stop-loss orders, it's modern, intuitive, and provides a clean interface with multiple order types, indicators, and chart options. Additionally, from the client portal, traders can access signals from Acuity's Signal Center. It provides trade ideas, including entry, take profit, stop-loss, and confidence levels across multiple markets several times a day. Now, let's take a quick tour of the broker's MT4 trading platform and proprietary trader app. Now, first, we'll do a walkthrough of the popular MetaTrader 4 desktop platform offered by FXTM. The platform here is made up of 4 main panels. We have Market Watch, Navigator, Charts, and Terminal. In the Market Watch panel, you can track the live prices of your favorite instruments, and you can also view the spreads in real time. You can double-click an instrument to pull up the order ticket, and you can drag an instrument over to view its chart. Now, from the Navigator panel, you can toggle between different accounts and access custom indicators and expert advisors for automated trading. MetaTrader 4 offers a robust range of 60 technical indicators and drawing tools, and one-click trading and trading from the chart are both available, making this a suitable platform for day traders and scalpers. I was really impressed by the range of custom indicators available at FXTM, especially the pivot point indicator, which is one of my favorites. So let's throw it up. Another feature I like is that you can easily tile charts and view multiple markets right at once. And finally, in the terminal panel, right here at the bottom, you can track the live P&L of your open positions, your history of trades, stay on top of market news, and do things like set price alerts to be notified when a given instrument reaches a specific price level. Now, let's take a look at the FXTM Trader mobile app. Under the Trading tab, we have large, easy to read charts, and we can see that trading from the chart is available at the bottom of the screen. At the top, we can flip between different charts easily thanks to the tabbed format. In the Trades tab, you can easily stay on top of the live P&L of your open positions. And let's take a quick look at trading signals here in the Signal Center, which is a great source of trading ideas. And we can also see that trader sentiment data is available. Next, here we have pending orders, and finally, your history of trades. So the only drawback we found is that FXTM hasn't developed its own web platform, which could offer a more user-friendly experience than MetaTrader or include unique features. Still, their platform options work well for traders at all levels. And that's why FXTM earned a solid 4.6 out of 5 in the platforms and tools category. Now, let's dive into something that every trader cares about. How competitive are the broker's trading fees? To get a clear picture, we tested FXTM spreads on different instruments using their Advantage Plus CFD account. We ran our tests during peak trading times in the London and New York sessions to give you the most accurate results. Here's a quick breakdown. First, we noticed that the spreads on Forex pairs were higher than the industry average. So if you're a short-term trader, like a day trader or scalper, the Advantage Plus account may not be the best fit for you. However, FXTM does offer an Advantage account, which has much lower spreads starting from 0.0 pips, though it comes with a commission per trade. When it comes to commodities like gold and oil, FXTM offers spreads that are around the industry average. Nothing too high, but not particularly impressive either. Where FXTM really stands out though is with its spreads on US stock indices, equities, and crypto CFDs. We found that these were much lower than the industry average and excellent for all trading styles. Overall, FXTM spreads are competitive, but Forex traders will likely want to consider the Advantage account for better rate. We also looked at the cost of holding a trade overnight, swap fees, and found them to be average, making them manageable for most trading strategies. One thing to keep in mind, FXTM charges an inactivity fee of $10 for accounts that have been dormant for 3 consecutive months. Something to be aware of if you're a less active trader. After taking all of these factors into account, we gave FXTM a 4.3 out of 5 in the fees category. And finally, does FXTM offer a diverse selection of markets to trade on? We were quite impressed by FXTM's selection of markets. With over 1,000 tradable instruments available, here's what you can trade. 47 Forex pairs, 16 commodities, 19 stock indices, 11 cryptocurrencies, more than 500 shares CFDs, and over 500 real shares from US stock exchanges. FXTM's selection goes above the industry average in every asset class. Plus, the option to trade real shares is great for those looking to enter the market with lower risk or who are interested in collecting dividends from stocks. With such a wide range that caters to all types of trading styles, FXTM scored a solid 4.5 out of 5 in the tradable instruments category. Before we reveal our final verdict on FXTM, let me share a bit about us and why you can rely on our insights. Our team combines experienced analysts and pro traders. Over the last decade, we have reviewed countless Forex brokers, 80 just this year. This gives us a deep understanding of the industry, so we know what truly defines a top broker. So the big question is FXTM the right broker for you? Let's quickly recap their pros and cons. FXTM has been in business for over 11 years and operates through 3 regulated entities worldwide. 2 of these provide access to compensation schemes to protect your funds in the event of insolvency. With over 1,000 tradable instruments, FXTM offers access to all major asset classes like Forex, commodities, stock indices, shares, and cryptocurrencies. FXTM offers the popular MT4 and MT5 platforms, known for their solid charting and technical analysis tools. What sets FXTM apart, though, is their custom MetaTrader add-ons, offering extra indicators and tools to enhance your trading experience. The FXTM Trader app also offers a simple, hassle hassle-free way to trade on the go. Plus, from the client portal, you can access Acuity's Signal Center for trading signals, along with in-house market research to guide your decisions. FXTM offers a good range of account types suited to different trading styles, including commission-free and commission-based options. We also found their spreads to be competitive, particularly on stock indices, commodities, cryptos, and share CFDs. On the downside, spreads on Forex pairs with FXTM's Advantage Plus account are higher than the industry average. However, opting for the Advantage account can get you much lower spreads from 0.0 pips, but with a commission per trade. FXTM's Kenya-based entity isn't part of a compensation scheme, unlike the other two entities, and this means your funds may be at risk if the broker becomes insolvent. While deposits are fee-free, withdrawal fees apply for most methods, which is something to consider. So, with these pros and cons in mind, who can benefit from trading with FXTM? FXTM is a great fit for medium timeframe traders like swing traders. The wide range of markets, reasonable swap fees, and competitive spreads make it ideal for holding positions over days or weeks. It's also well suited for day traders, scalpers, and algo traders. With competitive spreads across most asset classes, trading signals from Acuity's Signal Center, and access to the MT4 and MT5 platforms, there is plenty to work with. For Forex day traders, the Advantage account is worth considering, as it offers spreads starting from 0.0 pips with a competitive commission per trade. If you're a beginner, the user-friendly FXTM Trader app is a great starting point. Plus, the broker offers helpful educational videos to guide you along the way. With features like micro-lot trading, demo accounts, and free trading signals, FXTM is a good option for new traders to get comfortable in the market. FXTM is also a suitable choice for investors who can invest in real US stocks, but is unfortunately not suitable for those interested in copy trading, as there are currently no solutions for this. In our evaluation, we awarded FXTM an overall score of 4.4 out of 5, marking its offerings as above average. Interested in giving them a go? Just click the link in the description or in the top right corner to head straight to their site. You can also check the more detailed review of the broker on our website. Share your thoughts, comment with any questions about FXTM, or suggest brokers for our future reviews. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading insights. We'll see you in the next video.